Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen and today's setup is a little bit different. You can see I am in my sister's classroom today. So she and I work at the same school. She's a kindergarten teacher and I am a paraprofessional, and she's been in the same class for a few years now. She's been lucky enough to not have to move, but she was in need of some serious decluttering and organizing. Her closet and just some of her things, you can see, were just an absolute mess, and I agreed to go ahead and help her. And so we decided to film it for you guys so you can see how everything turns out, and I'll show you guys a little bit of her classroom organization things that she uses. She had some really neat ideas for some things, and I loved how she had some stuff organized. She just needed a little bit more help when it came to some of her closets and the extra stuff that she had. And there is a theme in this classroom. She has had a Disney Mickey Mouse theme since she started teaching, and I believe this is her 8th year of teaching, so she has never changed this theme in her classroom. So she's collected a lot of Disney things over the years, and I love it because we love Disney. So this was one of her messy areas. This is where she keeps all of her centers materials, and she really needed to get it organized so she knew what she had to use for the kids for their centers, and we could go ahead and categorize it into reading and math and all of the different categories that she needed just to be able to access it. So we pulled everything out of this shelf. One of the things she really needed to declutter was books. She did first grade her first year, and she had a lot of books that her kindergartners would not use and that she has not touched in years. So she went through her books, and this was what she decluttered from her book pile. And from here she was able to donate to other teachers. So that's always great when you can help other teachers out and just donate things that you no longer use that are still in good condition. And then you'll see me organizing some of her materials that she uses here. Okay, so this is where it really started to get overwhelming. And my sister would even agree. We both were like, oh my goodness, this is crazy. So we just decided to start taking stuff out. She started going through so many things that she was able to purge, that she was able to donate to other teachers and even some teachers who were new. So I thought that was really nice of her. And the fact that those things had been sitting there all those years and it was taking up space. So we were able to just purge so much stuff and get stuff donated and just clean it out and get it organized. So this cabinet, you can see, holds paper plates, cups, Ziploc bags, any extra supplies that she may need, whether it's for snacks or things like that. She had a lot of candies that I put in that bin. So I just wanted to purge this and get it organized. So many of those Ziploc boxes that she had up there were open, and she just kept reopening new ones and opening new ones. So I went ahead and combined as many as I could. I combined them down. So we were able to bring that down to just, I think, 2 open boxes of Ziploc bags, and then the rest of them were closed. Okay, so here's the before of the 2 big closets. And everything was just messy and unorganized. And here is the after. Like I said, we decluttered so many things and just kept what she really used. And look at the difference. I love this idea that she had for organizing her sentence strips. So she used a command hook and a jumbo binder clip, and she clipped the sentence strips and hooked it off of the command hook. And then her open ones, she put a little binder clip on the side just in case it fell. They wouldn't go flying everywhere. So I thought that was a great idea for that. And then this closet is just mainly supplies. We found some baskets and some bins that she had. She had those blue ones were from Dollar Tree, and we were able to just condense things down so it looks amazing. And then here is that little cabinet with all of her Ziplocs and paper plates and things like that. And then this is her little craft cabinet. She's got all her paint, all the stuff that she needs for crafts with the kids there. And then we start getting into all of the little decor that she had. And here is what this corner looked like before. Here's what it looked like all finished and organized, decorated and everything. So in this corner, she's got her calendar, her months. She does her morning meeting with the kids, so they come over to this corner and they just go over all of the things that they have to go over in the morning, including the days of the week and shapes, everything that she needs for morning meeting. And so those headphones are hanging on magnet hooks, so they attach to the file cabinet and you can just hang the headphones there. And then she's got this area organized back here, and she also has her favorite books that she likes to read with the kids. I just love how my sister just makes her room feel welcoming and, you know, just amazing for the kids. What kid does not want to be in a classroom like this? She really pours her heart and soul into her job, and she just loves on those kiddos, and she will do anything for them. So I am amazed by everything she does for her kids. Here's that before corner where she had all of her center stuff. And here's the afters. So she makes a lot of her own printables, and she sells them on her Teachers Pay Teachers page, and she makes some really cute stuff. So if you're a teacher and you're interested in checking out some of her worksheets and some of her crafts, she does things throughout the whole year, so I'll leave that in the description box below so you can check her out. I'm also going to go ahead and link her Amazon teacher wish list for this year, so she has a few things that she would like for her classroom. If you decide you'd like to donate, there is an option to leave her a message when you send her gift. Let her know that you're coming over from YouTube. I think that would be a really neat surprise for her. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this special classroom edition. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you are not subscribed yet, click that red subscribe button, because I would love to have you become a part of my YouTube community. And click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video.
I would like to not... Oh!
I'd like to not make a mess.
There's that and this.
No, I'm just joking.
Oh, I'm
just
so
joking.
sorry.
I'm just joking.
Be like,
which
we
one?
should be working. We're back over
While
there.
you're here,
If I don't do this,
I'm never gonna do that.
she will never get empty.
She?
My book bag.
Did you just say she?
Yeah. Meet Tabitha.
Oh my god.
Just
Stop.
kidding. Just kidding. How many? The horse and the hare and the turtle and the hare.